So one of the
But you
things
know,
that you're
we
doing in
should talk about
2026, yep,
we
is
should
goals.
talk about mindset and goal
Yeah.
setting. I am a big believer of that. Things don't happen by chance. I always say that. You've got to write down. People I talk to, they say, "Oh, I've got goal in my mind." If you have in your mind and your mind just fluctuates up and down, it's conscious, subconscious every day, depending on the mood and the time and the day and the outside weather, we got to pin down our goals, what accomplishments we had in 2025 and what we're going to do in 2026. If we go to a bowling alley, I always say that, and you didn't see the pins where they are, they're not all pins there, but there is a curtain in the front, and we just have one pin down there, and we ask them ourselves, hey, drop the ball, but you don't know where that pin is, you're not going to hit it. So that's the same thing, analogy in goal setting. We got to really have very specific, very vivid goals written down with timelines. Dreams are there. Everybody dreams about everything. You know, do you want to make life interesting or committed? I talk about. That's what Ed Mylett was. I was listening to one of his show. He said people who get farther in life, they're committed to their goals. They're not interested. They're not just interested, I might hit that goal. No. Are you interested or are you committed is the word. I want to do a little write-up on it and really set that stage, how important it is to get committed and have the burning desire to achieve those goals with timelines. Every week timeline, we need to go through those things to accomplish them faster, quicker, and so forth.
Vinney Chopra. There is something that's been truer and truer the longer I've been in this business that I find is many people have dreams, very few set goals, and then those who do, even fewer, hold those goals to a ridiculous deadline and will not push the deadline. They make the closing happen, they make the deals happen,